Good morning to all of you. Today we are discuss about the electronegativity, the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electron in a covalent bond is called electronegativity. Electronegativity is the comparative quantity. It has no unit, and electronegativity of an atom in a molecule to attract the bonded electrons. After that, we discuss about the difference between electronegativity and electron affinity. Now, electronegativity, the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electrons in a covalent bond is called electronegativity. As we know that when two atoms share to the electron and form bond, that bond is known as covalent bond. Now a polar covalent bond of A and B may be broken, as for example A and B is here bond, and after that the electrons attack toward, shift toward the A. This form electronegative and this form positive, so that electronegativity of A is greater than electronegativity of B. Here electronegativity is a relative properties. Now difference between electronegativity and electron affinity. Here electronegativity is the tendency of an atom in a molecule to attract the bonded electrons. It means that attraction of electrons, as you know that here fluorine has the large greatest electronegativity in the periodic tables, whereas energy released when an electron is added to the neutral isolated gaseous atoms, here this is except the electrons. There are very small difference between here electronegativity and electron affinity. In this case, attract the electron. In this case, accept the electrons, so that the size of chlorine is greater than the size of fluorine, so that फ्लोरीन इलेक्ट्रॉन को तो अटैक करता है, लेकिन धारण करने की कैपेसिटी साइज के कारण जो है कम होता है, और क्लोरीन जो है क्लोरीन को जो है एक्सेप्ट करने का यानी धारण इलेक्ट्रॉन धारण करने की कैपेसिटी अधिक होती है, इसलिए क्लोरीन का इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी अधिक होता है. नाउ हियर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी is not an energetic terms, where this is energetic terms because energy released when electron added this defining a covalent bond, and in this case defining isolated gaseous atoms electron affinity, because in the solid state there is no free of electrons here. Now it has relative value, it has no unit, electronegativity has no unit, and in this case we assume the electronegativity of one element, and after that to comparison to write the another electronegativity of the element, and it has the absolute value. Its value will measure in the electron volt per atom or kilojoule per mole in this case. Now in this case, now we discuss about the factor on which electronegativity depends. Now factors on which electronegativity depends: size of atoms, nuclear charge, charge on cation, charge on anion, hybridizations. Now here size of atoms, as you see that atom is small and atom is large, so that in this case the size is large, greater in comparison to this, so that due to large size attraction of electron is less, so that electronegativity will be less. It means that size greater, electronegativity less. Relation between them is reciprocal to each other, so that electronegativity is inversely proportional to size, and electronegativity proportional to 1 by size here. Now second, nuclear charge. It means that nucleus has positive charge. Now here this is a nuclear charge here. In comparison of this, number of proton is greater, so that attraction of electron is greater. Therefore, electronegativity will be greater. It means that nuclear charge greater, electronegativity also greater, so that electronegativity is directly proportional to nuclear charge or number of proton here. Now third, charge on cation. It means that dhanion, this is here F plus 2 plus 3, positive charge minus plus 2 minus plus 6 plus positive charge. सबसे ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन को जो है अट्रैक्ट, सबसे ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन को जो है अधिक पॉजिटिव चार्ज वाले पार्ट अट्रैक्ट करेंगे. Here in comparison to this and this in comparison to this, so that electronegativity will be greater. It means that electronegativity is proportional to the positive charge on the cations, so that Fe2 and Fe3, this is greater than this. Fe3 is the greater than Fe2, and here in this case Mn 2 plus also greater than Mn 6. Electronegativity of this is greater than this is greater than this, so that electronegativity is directly proportional to positive charge on the cation. It means that attack the electron easily. Now charge on anions. Let us suppose that here is nitrogen 1, 2 minus and 3 minus, here negative, so that attraction of electron is less. So सबसे ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिपेल करेगा, इसका मतलब कि सबसे ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन को दूर हटाएगा, सबसे कम अट्रैक्ट करेगा या so that now here this is a 3 minus, so that यह सबसे कम इलेक्ट्रॉन को जो है अट्रैक्ट करेगा यानी रिपेल करेगा, दूर हटाएगा. Therefore electronegativity will be smaller. It means that anion is greater, electronegativity will be smaller, so that relation between them is the reciprocal of this each other. Now electronegativity is directly proportional to 1 by negative charge on anion. It means that negative charge increase, electronegativity decrease. And next, hybridizations, sp, sp2, sp3. Here there are so many type of hybridization. Now we study about this in the further separate about the hybridization. Here sp, sp2, sp3, percentage of s here, s and p, this is 50% s and 50% p. In this case sp2 2/3, so that percentage of s is 33.3%. Here s or p 3/4, so that percentage of s is 25%, so that percentage of s increases. Electronegativity of sp is greater than sp2, greater than sp3. It means that electronegativity directly proportional to percent of s. Now we study about the electronegativity in the periodic tables. Now trend of electronegativity in periodic table. Now here along the period, and this is a group, first, second, third. Downward in a group, electronegativity decreases. Here in this case size will be continuous increases, so that electronegativity decreases. And here nuclear charge or number of proton increases, so that due to increase of positive charge attraction of electron increases, so that electronegativity increases. As we study further along the period, electron affinity increases, ionization energy also increases. It means that along the period, electronegativity, electron affinity and ionization energy increases, and along the group, due to increase of size, electronegativity decrease, electron affinity decrease, and ionization energy also decreases. Now, electronegativity of some elements are follow here. As you know that electronegativity is a comparative quantity and it has no unit, so that we assume that electronegativity of fluorine is 4 and hydrogen is 2, and comparative to this, hydrogen is 2.1, lithium is 1, beryllium is 1.5, 1.5, boron is 2, carbon 2.5, nitrogen 3, oxygen 3.5, and here sodium 0.9, potassium 0.8, rubidium 0.8, cesium 0.7, francium 0.7, here magnesium 1.2. In this case 0.5 increases here, in this case 0.3 increases here, 0.3 ऐड करने पर 1.5, and this is 1.8, this is 2.1, सल्फर का 2.5, बेरिलियम का 2.8 एंड आयोडीन का 2.5. इफ यू जब हम इतना याद कर लेंगे तो इससे जो है काम चल जाएगा. हियर नाइट्रोजन और क्लोरीन का 3 होता है, कार्बन सल्फर आयोडीन का 2.5 होता है, फास्फोरस और हाइड्रोजन का 2.1, बेरिलियम एल्युमिनियम का 1.5, पोटेशियम रुबिडियम का 0.8 एंड सीजियम फ्रेंसियम का 0.7 इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी होता है. इससे हम लोग बहुत कुछ जो है आगे चल करके अभी जांच करेंगे, वेरीफाई करेंगे, इसका अप्लाई करेंगे. हम लोग जो है इस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी को अप्लाई करके और कंपाउंड का कैरेक्टर की जांच करेंगे. अब हम लोग now determination of electronegativity. Here there are two main scales to determine the electronegativity. Here दो मुख्य स्केल है जिससे जो है इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी की गणना की जाती है. एक है मोलिकल स्केल है और दूसरा जो है पॉलिंग स्केल है. मोलिकल स्केल में इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इज द एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ आयोनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी ऑफ एन एलिमेंट. इट मीन्स दैट सम ऑफ बोथ ionization potential and electron affinity divided by 2. This is here, this is written as electronegativity and this notation चाहिए या जीटा, this is we read this चाहिए या जीटा and M denote the Mulliken scale. It means that it represents electronegativity on the Mulliken scale. If ionization potential and electron affinity are given in electron volt, value of this is given in electron volt, then electronegativity by the Mulliken on Pauling scale will be, जब Pauling scale पर उसकी गणना करेंगे, that is electronegativity at the Pauling scale, then ionization potential and electron affinity by 5.6. It means that we relate this and this electronegativity on the Pauling scale and Mulliken scale, that is a Pauling scale Xm by 2.8. We are just this. If ionization potential and electron affinity are given in kilocalorie per mole, then the electronegativity at the Pauling scale is equal to ionization potential plus electron affinity divided by 2 into 62.5, and we put this if ionization potential and electron affinity are given in kilocalorie per mole. In those cases, we calculate the electronegativity on the Pauling scale with the help of this formula, and now we discuss about the Pauling scale after that. Now Pauling scale, जब बॉन्ड एनर्जी किलो कैलोरी पर मोल में दिया हो तो चाहिए या जीटा है, दिस इज इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ A. This is electronegativity of A, and this is electronegativity of B. Electronegativity of A and electronegativity of B equal to 0.208 under root EAB minus under root EAA into EBB. EAA means bond energy between AB bond energy between AB bond EAA bond energy between AA bond energy between AA bond EBB equal to bond energy between BB bond. Here, if bond energy are given, we calculate the electronegativity difference of this element AB. Now here जब बॉन्ड एनर्जी किलो जूल पर मोल में दिया हो, दिस इज सेम थिंग्स इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ A and this is electronegativity of B, and जब किलो जूल पर मोल में दिया हो तो 0.1017 अंडर रूट EAB माइनस अंडर रूट EAA bond energy between bond AA, bond energy between BB, and this is bond energy between AB. Now as you know that एक कैलोरी बराबर 4.18 joule. We put this formula, एक कैलोरी किलो कैलोरी जूल, we apply या change this in kilocalorie per mole, either calorie or here joule. With the help of this formula, we calculate the difference between electronegativity of both elements here, and we apply this formula. Now like and subscribe videos and share with your friends. After that, we study about the application of electronegativity in the next videos. आप वीडियो को अपने दोस्त मित्रों में शेयर करें, जिससे अधिक से अधिक स्टूडेंट लाभ उठा सकें। थैंक यू।